Hi guys, and welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have had positive and productive weeks this week. So this week I'll be showing you guys how I did the DIY sprayed edge on We Hunt the Flame. Ta-da! Hafsah Faizal has written a fantastic book. Honestly, if you guys haven't read this, I recommend that you go out and you read it, because I could not stop thinking about it for like a week after I finished it. It had one of my most favorite ever book hangovers I had because of this book. Like, I cannot recommend it enough. A girl hides her gender and is a hunter, and then there's a prince who's got a reputation for being a killer, and they just end up enemies to lovers type thing. Just read the book. I cannot recommend it enough. I really love this front cover as well. Whoever designed this front cover, kudos, because I just think, you know, it's so bold and detailed and yet simple. You probably can't see on camera, but in this metallic bit, you've got this like pattern inside the gold that's shiny and beautiful, and it shimmers. Just I love it so much. But obviously it came with plain edges, and I just couldn't let a beautiful book and a fantastic story walk away with unstained, unpretty edges. So this is what I did. I did yellow at the top with vibrant pink at the bottom. I really wanted to use vibrant colours that would stand out against the blue, just because I think that it would really bring it together. And then I did an ombre along the side with metallic silver crown, and the bow and arrow, hunter, prince, you know, keeping it simple. I had never tried an ombre pattern before, but I love how it turned out. I love how the pink and the yellow fade together. And all in all, I say that this is like a huge success. I just love how it came out. I'll hold it closer to the camera so you guys can see. There, that's the finished product. So without further whittering from me, let's jump to the time lapse. Again, we've got this vibrant pink bottom, yellow top, and then I used a sponge to create this ombre effect, and then I went in with a crown and a bow and arrow. I really loved this story. I loved the interaction between Zafira and Nasir. I thought it was fantastic, so please do go out and read this. It's such a good book. I cannot wait to dive into the sequels. The sequels are going to be so good. Yeah, so that's kind of what I did. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me guys know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Would you have tried it with different colours? If you've got any other books you'd like to see, or any other projects that you'd like me to try. I have some really cool stuff coming up. Other books that I have painted recently include Vengeful by V.E. Schwab, Sea Witch by Sarah Hanning. I've also done something fantastic to The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue, also by V.E. Schwab. You guys are gonna love this. I've also painted The Starless Sea, and I've also painted Dancing with Thieves. So if you guys like any of those books, make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, look through my channel. I'm sure you'll find things that you like. Also, if you guys want me to paint a book for you, some people do, my commission slots are now open. Hooray! Yes, so if you guys want a commission, I will aim to have them all painted and shipped out ASAP. Just contact me either on Instagram or Twitter and we can arrange it. Anyway, I hope you guys had positive and productive weeks this week, and I will see you next time. Bye!